Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I was putting together some little treat pouches for my grandkids and I thought I would show you what I was doing. So for today's little treat pouch, I am using an older collection from Hobby Lobby that has, let me show it. I think I've had it maybe 3 years now. So anyway, I rarely work with these colors, but this one is for the kids. So this is what I thought I would go ahead and use, and I still have quite a bit of it. So I made this little treat pouch, and it's super easy. It's really fast. So this is the front. I put a little bat, a silver glitter cardstock bat, and I inked the edges with some stays on. And then I had a stamp that says open if you dare. So I went ahead and stamped that on this little piece of scrap that I had from another collection, but I thought it was perfect on there. And then this one, I think they come from the same collection. I just cut out that little tombstone. And I put that on foam, this one on foam, and this one I just put up on a little bit of a piece of chipboard. So this one has 2 matte layers, and there's the back and here's the bottom. So it is closed with a bow. It's a ribbon bow, and on the inside, once they open it up, so they can open it up and they will get a little box of stickers and they will get a little candy bar. So on the top, I stamped trick or treat, and I glued a little box of stickers on there. They love their stickers. And then on the bottom, I stamped poison, and I glued their little candy on there. So we're going to make one together, and this is just the shimmer cardstock, and I inked the edges, and I used the same ink for the stamping. And it's really fast. It's so easy. So I just didn't want to just throw the candy in there and have them just have the candy thrown in there. I wanted something cute to put in there, so this is one of the boxes that I'm making for them. So we're gonna make one together really quick. I've already cut everything out and it won't take much time. So I cut out a piece of black cardstock I cut a piece of cardstock that is 4 by 9, so 4 inches wide, 9 inches long. And then I scored it at 4 and at 5, and then I just rounded the edges. So that is the pouch itself. So then I took my scraps and I cut some mats. So this bottom mat, which is the striped card, is 3 7/8 by 3 7/8, and then the purple top mat is 3 5/8 by 3 5/8. And I did ink around the purple one, the top one, and then I just rounded the edges and to match this right here. So all I'm gonna do is glue these down to the top of the base, or to the base piece. So there's that one. And then this one for the bottom is 7/8 by 3 7/8, which is this the stripe paper. And then the purple one is, I forgot what the purple one is because I didn't write it down. 3/4 by 3 7/8. 3/4 by 3 5/8, which is the top one. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue that one down as well. I figured I may as well get all the treat things out of the way. So, and that one is going to go right between the score lines, the fold lines. Okay. And then for the inside, I just took white cardstock. I just took some white cardstock that is 5 7/8 by 5 7/8, and I stamped them both. So this is for the top, this is for the, this one's for the bottom. So you can stamp it however you want. This is just the way I went ahead and stamped mine. So what I did was after I put my paper on there on the front side, I went ahead and put one of these on the inside. And you know what, now looking at it, my stamp is going to go through that. I'm going to use this to make my opening. Yeah, let me use it anyway. So they're just going to have to forgive Grandma. How's that? So I'm going to glue this down to the inside. Remember, this shouldn't be stressful. Whoop. I have all kinds of stuff here. Okay, and for the inside, I just took some cardstock, same width as this, and then just put a white piece of cardstock there. So actually this was just a piece of scrap, and you know what, I didn't ink the inside the way I did the other one, so that's totally optional. So this one is probably 3/8 of an inch by 3 7/8 inch long. Okay, so there we go, there's that. And then I need to cut, let me go ahead and fold that. I need to go ahead and, you don't have to have one of these. This is a memory, We Are Memory Keepers, and I forgot what it's called. But this one is the one that makes that, you know, that shape. So I don't even know what the shape is called. So anyway, this is going to go this way. So all I did was, on the other one, I cut them individually. So I'm hoping that this is going to make it through all three, all layers. Okay. So I'm just eyeballing it to see, and I just left it on the smallest setting here. And I am just going to make sure that they are even, holding it tight. And I am going to go ahead and punch, attempt to punch through all this cardstock. All right, well, it went through that side. And let's do this side. So I need to do them individually. So there we go. And like I suspected, it went through the sentiments, but this is, it'll be all right. The kids are going to eat that candy anyway. Okay. So after you get that disaster done, go ahead and took a piece of double-sided tape, cut off a couple pieces, and put it on the sticker box. And I did put the opening on the front, so I went ahead and put a couple pieces right here. And then glued that down. And I didn't glue it too far down from the center. I don't even know what kind of stickers are in here. I'll push that down. Push that back up. Okay. And then for the candy bar, I did the same thing. Just take a couple pieces of double-sided tape, put them on the back of the candy. Remove the backing and put it down this way. Okay, there we go. Isn't that cute already? And besides a little mishap, but you know, oh well. That is cute. Okay, so then I took, and then to decorate the outside, of course, I've already got some things ready. And I've got some stickers. They're in the same color scheme. And for this, I just took this sticker off the sticker pack and I put it on black cardstock, and I went ahead and fussy cut around it. And then I took the little witch's boots, and I think I'm gonna put this guy right here. And then this one, it says witch's brew, drink up. So this one's gonna go right here. So all I'm gonna do for this is remove the backing to the boots. And this is very sticky. So I'm gonna put this witch's brew right there. And this one has a couple layers of thin chipboard. There we go. Put this guy right here. And then I can put this guy down. I'll put a little bit of glue on there anyway. Okay. And then I am going to put this one down right there. There we go. Cute, isn't it? Oh my goodness, I like that. Okay, and then the last thing, I was gonna put some stickers, some candy stickers, where the candy is spilling out because the witch is going in there. Purple and purple doesn't look good. Here we go. The witch, it made them spill out. There we go. All right, and then for the last part, I took a piece of ribbon and I tied that through. So guys, remember, if you're gonna put a hole in here for the closure, you could actually just put a little clothespin on there. But if you're gonna put a hole for the closure, you might wanna think about the placement of your stamp. See, for this one, I thought about it because I just did. I didn't for this next one, but for this one, I did think about the position. Oh no, you know what it was? I cut the holes out first on this one. I tried to take a shortcut with this one and it didn't happen. Okay, so then you take your ribbon of your choice, whatever it may be, and then you tie it. Put a little bow on there, and you can call it done. There we go, guys. Super, super easy, fast, super fast. You can actually mass produce these if you really wanted to. But there we go, guys. And that was it for today. Thank you so much, and we will talk to everyone later. Have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.